Welcome to Travel Around Suzy. Today we're in Grand Rapids, Michigan at Frederik Meijer Gardens, and check that out. That is the butterfly exhibit, and we're gonna go walk through the whole thing and maybe see some butterflies. So make sure you stick around. This exhibit is just a traveling exhibit, and as the signs say, they are courtesy of Gray, Chicago, New York. And there's 4 of them up on the rooftop. And I don't know how long they are going to be here, but they are here. And this is April, so come and check it out. And the butterflies are amazing. Look at this hippie dude. Frederik Meijer Gardens has 158 acres of sculptures, waterfalls, botanical gardens, a Japanese, a Michigan farm garden, and a butterfly exhibit, which is amazing. And the butterflies are hatching around March and April. So make sure if you want to plan a trip here, you'll want to do it in March and April. That's when the butterflies are the most active. go. There you go. Stop moving. It don't want me to take pictures. Hey everyone, thank you for watching. As you can tell, we're still at Frederik Meijer Gardens, and it's been a really fun day. It's a little chilly. You can see my nose is cold. Out walking through the sculptures. But if you're ever in Grand Rapids, Michigan, make sure that you come and check out Frederik Meijer Gardens in Grand Rapids Township. The butterfly exhibit was amazing. Thanks for watching and have a great day.